over the last 2 weeks, the pool has been stacked, so we have the area delimited. Where is that going to be? We haven't finished this part because we're waiting on the windows. We also prepare it for all painting, so we have caulking in place and putty where needed. All the siding is done, wooden batten. The inside, it's pretty ready for doing the priming this coming week. We had some mold around, so now it has been treated and will be primed in the next week. We have the garage door and its opener, and also this side is being finished with board and batten. The north side hasn't been finished because we're missing the door, the design for the awning, and also the window. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.